All right, I got the sunshine in there. Okay, hey, I'm Kevin. Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today we're going to go on the Blackstone. We haven't been on Blackstone for a minute. And, you know, I'm sure most of you have heard of Jalapeno Cheddar Sausages. Well, I was at Sam's Club. They had some Hatch Green Chile Cheddar Sausages. They look like this. I don't remember the brand because I took them out of the package and threw it away, but you can see the green chili in that sausage. Now I've made these just the regular way, you know, round, and they're good. They're not spicy. I don't know, you know, green chili. So I'm gonna make them my way, and my way is, well, you've seen me make my my brisket hot dogs. So I cut these in half, and we're gonna use cheddar, and we're gonna use Hatch Green Chili, and we're gonna really do these up. These are really gonna be Hatch Green Chili and cheddar sausage on a hoagie roll. All right, so let's get this going. Quick cook. All right, the first thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my buns toasted up. I'm gonna put a little olive oil down. Get our hoagie rolls toasted up. Spread it out a little bit. Here's my hoagie rolls. Just get those down. Okay, the tops are done. Okay, while these two finish up real quick, I'm going to get these Hatch Green Chili Sausage down. Got them cut in half already. Just go for a few minutes on this side and then we'll turn them over. Okay, those are good. Okay, all right, these have only been going about maybe a minute. Got a little brown on there. Gonna flip them over and let them char up on this side. Let them cook the rest of the way, and they're already cooked. Put a nice little char on there. Again, it's only been about a minute. Let's see how they look. Oh yeah, look at that. You know, these were already pre-cooked, so they don't have to go too long. I'm gonna turn fire all the way. You know, I'm just gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna let these brown up a little bit while we get the, you know, the cheese. We gotta have our cheddar cheese and our green chilies. So we're just gonna lay the cheese again right down, right on the griddle. About the size of your sausage or your hot dogs if you do hot dogs. And they're gonna fry up really quick. Have my flame all the way down on these. And you can see that they are already bubbling. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is get some green chili on there. Okay. Set one of my dogs on there. Sausages. Okay, and you know what? I've got the green chili, so we are going to make this green chili-ish. We're going to not be shy with the green chili. And you know what else we're going to do? Get all of this goodness in there. I'm actually going to put cheese on top of these. Yeah. Let's just load them up. Like that. Dome over them. Squirt just a tiny bit of water. All right, how they look. Oh, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me just slide this over a bit. We'll put a bottom bun down. Ooh. And we'll get our sausage on there. Look at that. Let's get our other one down. Oh man, I don't want to lose that green chili. All right, there we go. Let's get these plated up. What do you think of that? Put the lid on them. We'll do a taste test. Got them on the plate. Let's put the lid on top. What do you think of that? Hatch Green Chile Cheddar Sausage on a hoagie roll. It's ManKitchenRecipes style. Let's get a taste of this. All right, there you go. I told you it was going to be a quick cook. Hatch Green Chili and Cheddar Sausage on a hoagie. Let's see. It's going to be messy. All right. There we go. There's that fried cheese flopping around the bottom there. Green chili. Here we go. Mmm. Now that is Hatch Green Chili and Cheddar Sausage on a hoagie roll. Take the ordinary and make it extraordinary. Don't be afraid. Get creative. That's just a regular sausage. ManKitchen recipe up. Hope you like this. Hit the like and subscribe. And hey, I hope you have a great day. And I'm going to go eat these so you know I'm having a great day. We'll see you on the next video.